wonder how the Perry over there sassy. Oh, me have an idea. Yo, friend, me could build a machine, no? Me could build a machine for start to pet. You hear me? That's we can understand what you say. Yo, we are gonna reach out for this, you know? Enough people want to know if it's to them pet, you know? Yo, me tell us you're too smart, you know? You're too smart. Alright. Yo, dog, what do you think about the machine? Well, alright, we need a test subject for the boy up here ready.
Yo, Perry, we need to send you up on a secret mission, you know, to look for the boy Corona, you know. The boy Corona one bad run you know. Hey, they know, you know, which part Perry. Oh, see me, man. Perry, you know how long me I look for you? Sit down here, son. Yo, dog, turn on the machine. Yo, we rich now, dog, we rich. Yo, Perry, say something now. Yeah.
What you doing?
Oh, me and friend build a machine for talk to animal. We a chat to Perry.
That's great. But don't you need Perry to be here for it to work?
Oh, mad star. Boy, Perry just did this a while ago.
I sure love worms. Don't look at me. Big fat juicy worms. Gotta find them. Gotta eat them.
You hear that? Little birdie, tell me what I go on. Say something now.
Aren't you a little young for interspecial communication?
No, bird talk. Yo, squirrel, say something now.
Oh, I do. Do you have any nuts for me? That's so cute. Yeah. I'm cute. Now nut me.
Yo, I'm really happy.
Oh, me a subscribe, you know? Everybody, please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe now.